A warm welcome and a very good morning to our respected chairman, our distinguished guests, and our dear doctors. This is Tekla, your compere for this morning. Today, the 1st of July, is celebrated as Doctors' Day in India. This idea came about from Mrs. Eudora Brown Almin, who happens to be the wife of Dr. Cha Almin. This day was celebrated as an anniversary for the very first time that ether was used as a general anesthetic by Dr. Crawford Long on the 30th of March in the year 1842.
On behalf of all of us, I welcome you, sir, to this function. It's beyond the scope of the time frame of this function to call each and every one of you by name and welcome, but it's my duty to do so. So, on behalf of all of the ASTER group, I welcome the senior doctors, the colleagues, the senior management staff, and each and every one of you.
And as they say that actually Doctors' Day is to show our gratitude. The doctors who work day in and day out to bring in smile to people, to patients, relieve them of their aches. So it's our commitment to all of you that when we meet for the next Doctors' Day, there'll be no stress. The stress will be much reduced.
It's something very human, and it's really something which will really touch you when you are complimented. So when the patients especially and the professional colleagues, they appreciate you, they applaud you, they promise their commitment as a team with you, it gives a huge amount of pleasure to any doctor. Extremely delighted, thankful, and I'm hopeful that, as has been mentioned here, there will be that sort of recognition for the doctors by the colleagues as well as by the patients, which is their due. As you know, and as has been mentioned, doctors go through a lot of stress. Many of them, for them, the hospital is their home and the professional colleagues are their families. So, a support from the family which they get at home, the same has to be reflected even at the other home, which is the hospital or the clinic, because they spend a lot of time and undergo a lot of stress while they are at work. Unlike other professions, there's a huge amount of stress involved in the lives of doctors, which all of us know, and even other medical professionals. So it's very important that we work as a team, supporting each other and recognizing that the doctors are human beings who once in a while are likely to have mistakes committed or lose temper because they are under tremendous stress. Understanding that by the patients as well as the professional colleagues is the greatest gift that you can offer them on the Doctors' Day.
All the senior management people and all the employees of the ASTER Hospital, because it was like a wish asked by a small child and it was fulfilled.